In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your app in Base44, whether you're polishing up the final details or checking how new changes look before sharing with others. Previewing your app is an essential step in the development process. Thankfully, Base44 makes it easy and straightforward. So let's dive right in and walk you through the simple steps to get your app ready for viewing. First, you'll want to open your app project. To get started, navigate over to Base44 on your device of choice. You'll be welcomed by your dashboard, which is essentially your home base, showcasing all of your existing projects. Take a moment to locate the app you've been working on and select it. This will bring your app project front and center, ready for you to preview it. Now that your app project is open, the next step is to find the preview panel. In most Base44 interfaces, this panel is cleverly designed into a split-screen layout. On the left side, you'll encounter the AI prompt or editor, which is the space where all your creative input and coding magic happens. Then, on the right side, you'll find the live preview area. What's great about this layout is that it allows you to see your implemented changes and tweaks in real time. Typically, the preview will load automatically as you make updates, which is a huge time saver and lets you instantly visualize the results of your hard work. If the preview isn't showing up automatically or you need to give it a manual nudge, here's the next step. Look out for a button that might be labeled as Run, Preview, Open App, or sometimes even just a play symbol. Depending on the interface version you're using, the exact label of the button can differ slightly, but it's all designed for one purpose. Clicking this button will open your working app instantly, giving you a live view right there on the screen. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Base44 to preview your app. This process helps you ensure everything looks and functions exactly as you want it to. Whenever you make any additional changes or improvements, you can revisit these steps to update your preview. With this seamless process, you'll find reviewing your app is not only necessary, but also an enjoyable part of your app development journey. Remember, a close look at your app in its live state is crucial before you decide to share it with the world. Enjoy fine-tuning your masterpieces and happy developing!